Welcome to the masterclass. This lesson is taught by our friend Jenna. And a fun fact about Jenna is that she just got a new puppy named Moose. So she is going to teach us how to use Gmail.
Hi everyone, my name is Jenna and I'm an account executive with BrookSource. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create a new account using Gmail, how to compose a new email, how to read an email, and then how to respond to an email. Okay, so to create our new Gmail account, we will go ahead and pull up our web browser, and I'm using Google Chrome, and go to the top where you see your search bar and type in gmail.com and click enter. And since we haven't created an account before, we'll go ahead and click create an account. But if you did already have one, you would just click the sign in button here. So I have to type in my first and last name. And then it went ahead and auto-filled an email for me. So if you don't like this username, and this is what's ahead of the @gmail.com, if you don't like it, you can go ahead and create a different username and see if it's still available, or you can click from these other available options. So this one's fine for me. So I'll go ahead and keep that and then move to the password box and type in the password that I want to use. And then I have to type it in again to confirm it. And then I want to go ahead and make sure that my spelling was right on both of those. So you can click this I and confirm that your spelling is right. So once that's done, click next. So it wants me to go ahead and verify my phone number. So go ahead and type in your phone number here. I'm going to move my screen just for security's sake. But I'm typing in my phone number. And then I just received a text message to my phone. So I'm going to type in that code that I got sent to my phone. Okay, so now that that's done, you can type in your phone number here. You can type in a recovery email address, and that is in case you forget your password, you can reset your password using your recovery email. So I definitely recommend that, but I'm going to skip it for this example's sake. And then type in the month and day of your birthday. This isn't my actual birthday, just typing in an example, but you enter in your real birthday there, and then you can put your gender. So female, male, or custom, or rather not say, any of those are fine, whatever you're comfortable with. And then click next. And then it shows up a screen with the privacy and terms, so you can read through this if you'd like. But for this example, we'll just go ahead and click I agree, and it will create our new account. Okay, so this is what our new Gmail account looks like once you're signed in. Since it's the first time signing in, you might have a couple pop-ups. If you'd like to learn more about different features or tips and tricks, you can click learn more. Or if you don't want to do that right now, just click got it and the pop-up will go away. So now that we have our account, we want to compose a new email. So go to the top left corner where it has the colorful plus sign and says compose, and click on that. And then where it says to, we're going to want to type in the email address that we want to send our email to. So you type that in. And then in the subject line, whatever you want the subject to be. And then right underneath the subject line is the body of the email. So type whatever you would like. And then the blue button right here that says send is how you send your email whenever you're finished. There are a couple different features down here. If you highlight your email, the body of your text in your email, you can click this underlined A, and it gives you some options to change your font, change the size of the text, bold, italicize, underline, change the color, lots of different options. You can also create a numbered list or a bulleted list. So you can mess around with that if you would like, or go ahead and click send. So now to how to read an email. So you can see that this email from Google, since it's bolded, we haven't read it yet. So I want to read that email. So I'll go ahead and click on that box, and it just opened up the email. So this is how you read it. Just scroll. There are a couple options if you want to reply to an email. You can either go to the bottom and click reply, and it'll show up with a little box down here. Or at the top of your new email, you will see this arrow that is pointing to the left and it says reply. You can click that as well. Either one works. So now you can see right here that I'm responding to this Google Community Team email. That's who my email is being sent to. And then you type the body of your email, and you can see you have all of those different options. Change your font, bold, italicize, all of that is still an option here. And then whenever you're done, you click send and send the email. And then if you want to go back to your inbox, this is where all your new emails will be.